Hello, in this video I will explain how to find the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. First of all, we need to understand what is area and what is the perimeter in a shape. The perimeter of a rectangle is basically the distance around the shape. The distance around a shape. And how do we find that distance? What we do is we need to add all the sides to know what's the total distance around. So if we know that this side has a length of 12 centimeters, we have two sides, right, that measure the same. So we can do 2 times 12. Let's make this 2 much better. And then we will be adding, we have 1 and 2 sides that measure 4 centimeters. So we have 2 times 4 centimeters. And that would give us 24 plus 8 that would be 32, and the units are centimeters. And that will give us the distance around the figure. In order to find the area of a shape, we also need to understand what is the area. And basically, area of a shape is the number of square units inside the shape. How do we find it? We need to find the area, we need to consider two dimensions: the length and the width of the shape. And here so the formula is length times width. In this example, that would be the length is 12 centimeters, which we will multiply times the width, which is 4 centimeters. Oops, that's pretty bad. Okay, better. And that would give us a total of 48 square centimeters. Why square? Because to find the area, again, we need to consider two dimensions. So we're multiplying centimeters times centimeters, which will give us centimeters square. Every time you find the area, your units will be square. Always. The area is always given square units. When is useful to find the area or the perimeter in a shape? For example, if this was your room, let's just think that this is your room, right? And you want to place again carpet on the floor in your room. So you need to find the area to find out how many square meters you need to buy of carpet in order to cover the floor. But let's think if this is a yard or a park and we need to put fence around the park, then we would need to find what's the perimeter of the shape. Let's move to this example. And here we have another rectangle, but this time it has a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 2 centimeters. So I will give you some time so that you can find the perimeter and find the area, and then you can check your answers with mine. while. Let's just put, okay. Okay, let's do the perimeter. So we have two sides of 5 centimeters each. So that would be 5 times 2 equals 10 centimeters. And we will be adding 2 times 2, 4 centimeters. Oops. And that would give us a total of 14 centimeters. To find the area, again, our formula is length times width. And that would be 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters, and that gives us a total of 10, and again, square centimeters. And that would give you, that's the answers for area and perimeter of the second shape. Let's do the third one. So try to find it again by yourselves, and you will just check your answers with me. Okay, so let's try this one. What would be the perimeter? The perimeter would be 9 times 2, that would be 18, plus 1 times 2, that would be 2, and the total would be 20 centimeters. Right? To find the area, this is pretty easy. We will need to multiply 20 centimeters times 1 centimeter, and that gives us a total of 20 square centimeters. Right? So in here we have 20 square units. Let's just fix this better. And here we have 10 square units. And that's it. Thank you for watching.